Hey guys, today we're going to go over problem 518 from the book. It's asking us to find the components of reaction at the two supports. We could start this problem by looking at those supports. If you look at B, right over here, we can see it only has a simple roller, which means it'll have a force in the y direction. We'll call that By. And then if we look at A, I know it looks complicated, but really there's just a moment around that point, because also all that extra fancy stuff is to the left of the point, and there aren't going to be any forces for the reaction in the horizontal or the vertical direction. This leaves us a pretty simple problem where we just have two forces in the y direction. So that's why we can take the sum of the forces is equal to 0, as we know from our equations of equilibrium. And then the force P is just equal to By. Then if we take the sum of the moments at point A, we can find that 0 equals to the moment at A minus the force P times its distance between itself and point A, which is L over 2, plus By times the whole length of the rod, L. Then, once we simplify this equation, all we get is that the moment at A is equal to negative P times L over 2. The problem is pretty much over at this point, but I just wanted to point out that we assumed that the moment was in the positive direction when we drew it and added it into the equation, but it's actually going in the clockwise direction since our answer is equal to negative P times L over 2.